Welcome to Zumia Health Training. Now that you have logged into Zumia Health, you can see the individuals that you have been assigned to. So you would click on the individual in which you want to document on. If you would notice, there would be a blue circle with a plus sign in it. Anytime you see the blue circle with the plus sign in it, it means that there's more information hidden up under that button. Let's go ahead and click the blue button. As you can see, you can view all the information about the individual that you are serving. Now, we want to go and document on DD Form 104, which is documentation of homemaker personal care. After selecting the individual that you're going to document on, go down to View Forms and click. Once you click there, you will have a list of the forms that are available. Now, the only forms that you will see are the forms that your agency has assigned to the individual that you're servicing. So if you can see here, we have DD Form 104, Documentation of Homemaker Personal Care. If I click on the blue button again, I will be able to see additional information. And up under Actions, it says Document on Calendar View. So we're going to click there. Once I click on Documentation of Homemaker Personal Care on Calendar View, the calendar view of the forms will show up. And I'll scroll down just so that you can see how it looks from top to bottom. So each one of these panels are the supports that you will be documenting on. It looks very much like the forms that you're currently using on paper. If you will notice, there are only 4 supports on each page, but at the bottom you will see that there are multiple pages there if your individual have additional supports. Once you save your documentation on this page, it will automatically take you to the next page so that you can complete any appropriate documentation on that page as well. Once you're done, you will come down to the bottom and just press save. Now, some supports are daily supports, some of them are as needed supports as situation arise, or even a bi-weekly support. I always advise staff to make sure that all daily supports are done first, just to ensure that they have been completed. And you can easily sort the supports within Zumia by shift as well as by frequency. So if I work on shift number 1, then I can select shift 1. If I work on shift number 2, I'll select shift 2. And all of the supports that should be done on shift 2 will show up, as well as all of the supports based on the frequency that I select will show up as well. Let's go right into it. So I'm going to select shift number 2, and I'm going to select the frequency of daily. When I click filter, the system will automatically bring up all of the supports that have a shift of 2 and all the frequencies of daily. Awesome. So if you can see, I'm able to scroll over to today's date, which is the 19th, and supports that have already been completed already has an initial there, and it will tell me that that support has already been completed. Now, additional supports that I want to complete, I just first look at the legend at the top. You have C for completed, NC for not completed, A for administered, NA for not administered, and R for refused. These are the codes that we're going to use to document on the form. Okay? So, since I'm documenting on second shift, I'm going to click on the documentation level for shift number 2. If I click on complete, it will take that the entry that I made. If you will notice, I have not pressed save yet. And at this point, it has not been saved. I've documented, but it has not been saved. After I finish documenting everything on the page that I need to document on, I will go all the way to the bottom and you will see a green button that says Save Entries. Once I save here, that entry has been saved and the application automatically took me to page 2. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see now I am on page 2. Now I would repeat the same thing that I did on the first page, go to the supports that I need to document on and press save, and the application will automatically take me to page 3. I hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just email us at info@xoomia.com, info@xoomia.com.